Don't puff up at me like a bird. Hey, what's up, you guys?
No, that's outdated, babe. He's moved on. He doesn't do that anymore.
Sorry to interrupt everyone's National Shane Dawson finale series day, but you know, we're making a video
It's time
today.
for this now.
So there's been a trend on YouTube recently where people just listen to the audio of a makeup tutorial, or like if you're simply nailogical, Christine, you listen to the audio of a nail tutorial and try and recreate them. And then Jessie Smiles the other day took it to a whole other level when she had her husband listen and watch a tutorial and then just tell her what to do. And they have a little bit of a language barrier. We do not, but you...
Well, that's debatable.
But I think this really just boils down to how bad are you at communication with your significant other, which is always a fun time. So I do not know.
Bienvenidos.
So I do not know what Julian picked in terms of makeup. I don't even want to know whose it is. I don't know what it is.
I literally searched makeup tutorial on YouTube and then decided which one.
Is it going to be like a fun look though, or is it just going to be like...
It's a fun look. It's a fun look.
You're looking down and away from me, which makes me feel like you're lying and
Babe, it's a
hiding
fun look.
something. And if you troll me, I swear to God, you're not gonna do me dirty and you're gonna try your best to tell me
I'm
what
gonna
to
do you clean. Oh shit, that sounds so wrong. Alright, I can't hear anything you say from now on at all. These are completely noise canceling.
Well, you're gonna have to talk to me.
Yeah, I know.
You can't just like watch the video and ignore me.
Okay, we're starting. Do I tell like what the look's gonna be before or no? No, okay, so just step by step?
Yeah.
Okay, you're wearing the wrong outfit. Are you supposed to be matching?
Julian.
Okay, you need a color palette.
Like eyeshadow?
Yes. Oh, that's perfect. She's still just talking about products and being an affiliate. Primer.
Okay. I'm gonna use this. Am I doing it how this person did it? I'm not gonna ask their gender. I don't wanna reveal anything at all about them.
She's just... Oh.
You just said she! Julian!
She just said PR package.
Oh shit.
Oh, okay, so now she says she has a new foundation. So after this is foundation now. So you're gonna get full coverage and you're gonna tap it on. Up and down. Do you have any ColourPop products?
No.
Okay, so we'll have to work around that in a second.
Listen, okay, I don't have all of the brands that whoever this person is gonna have, all right? I'm just like a normal person. I don't just have like oodles of makeup sitting around, you know what I'm saying?
What's your favorite keyboard shortcut? Mine's paste. Because sometimes you just go paste after not being at your computer for a while. You don't know what's gonna pop up.
Touche. How am I looking?
You look good.
Am I following it so far?
Yeah, this is the foundation, so you're almost done, I think, right? Next, you're gonna get some concealer. You wanna neutralize and brighten up the shadow parts of your face on either side, and then you're gonna blend them.
That's it? Those are the only places?
Yeah, as far as I know. After this, you're gonna quickly set your under eyes using powder.
Fuck. Here?
Yeah, goes on to the, perfect, yeah, just like that. Yep, only on the eyes with the bright stuff. You're doing good.
I feel like I'm getting an idea of whose tutorial this is.
Do you have a guess? Do you want to guess or no?
Yeah, but you can't confirm
All
or
right,
deny.
I will just keep it straight faced.
I feel like this might be someone whose name rhymes with Mickey Moomo Reels.
So now you're gonna do your brows off camera. What?
I didn't know what I was expecting, but okay. Can you give me an idea of like
What
a general, yeah, like are they dark, are they heavy, are they thick? Like,
okay,
help me achieve the look.
They're like cut, very fine edges, pretty thick.
Yeah.
Like a dark brown.
Dark brown.
Dark brown, not black. A little bit longer towards the edge.
Yeah, I know the outside isn't done. I'm saying the insides.
Can I just do it?
No!
I have a better idea.
No, it doesn't matter. That you've seen it and I haven't. So
Okay.
you have to use your words and describe them to me.
Okay, so just your right brow has the perfect thickness. It just needs to extend further out towards
Yeah,
the
I know
edge.
that part's not done yet.
Okay, but I'm telling you that's what you need to do. I know it's not done. That's why I'm giving you
But
advice.
the shape is going
The shape
okay?
is good, yes. Just keep those edges clean. So the inner part of that eyebrow, the line is going up. We'll make the line go that way.
In?
Yeah, a little bit. Just a little bit.
Like that?
Yeah, that's much better. Perfect. Just do that on both eyebrows.
You told me to make them face in.
Yeah. Yeah, no, it's good. A little more hairy, but like maybe, yeah.
You're being a little unclear, so I'm just gonna do this and call it a day, because this is what
I'm
you
sure
told
that's
me
fine.
to do.
Yeah. That's perfect. Do that on both sides.
Okay.
Just a sharp edge, same length.
I get it, but sharp isn't a description of length or direction.
Okay. So the right one is good, the left one needs sharpening.
This is like
Imagine all the
obnoxious.
work you could be getting done if you didn't yell at me right now. Is this a precise blending brush? So, whoa, take it slow. Pop open the color palette, give it a nice pop. Why are you putting everything away?
Because I don't need it anymore.
I'm unfamiliar with that practice.
We know.
And you're going right for the yellow. Although her yellow is a bit more lemony.
Okay, well, let me see what else I have. Is it like a solid
Yes.
matte yellow?
Yes, it's like a solid sunflower yellow, borderline orange. So I'm thinking if you mix those two, it would be perfect. Mix this one with that one.
But they're both shimmery. I don't have anything matte like that.
It doesn't need to be matte.
Where do I put it on my...
So you're going on the inside, like the innards.
The innards?
Like right in there. Yeah. And
Does
then
it go under my eye at all?
Yes.
A payoff? And then...
It goes like around, but not all the way.
So let's start with the green. Like
Soft
this.
circular motions.
This is gonna come out kind of orange.
That's fine.
Not yellow at all.
Oh, well, it's supposed to be yellow, like yellowish orange. So if it's just straight orange, then it's the wrong color. I told you what color. Are these really only colors you have?
Yeah.
That, but like brighter. Maybe just go with that.
But that's not yellow at all. That's orange.
I know, but what you have on your face is not right. It's not right at all.
What about this isn't right?
Yeah, her eyelids are brighter.
We get that. But you told me to mix these two colors together.
And it didn't turn out right.
And now you're upset.
Well, it just doesn't look right.
And you blaming me.
I'm not blaming anybody. I'm just making observations. It doesn't look right.
So is it more yellow? Is
It's
that the
brighter.
problem?
Less of like a dungy dark color.
Coming out dungy because we're mixing orange and green.
It's not my fault you don't have any yellow color palettes. Just cake on some orange, call it a day.
Are you sure this is right? This seems
No,
like...
it's not. But for what we have, it's the best
Wait,
case.
but like the placement, like...
The placement's right, yes. Yeah. Except it goes a little more on top. So if you can imagine a line in the center of your eyelid, go to that half point.
Yeah, but is it like really all the way to like my nose?
No, it's like to the bridge. You have it perfect in the yeah. Look at me. Look at me.
Usually when
Look
you
at me.
li- no,
Oh,
you
no,
listen
no,
to me
no.
for 1 second.
You listen to
Usually
me.
when you do your makeup in here, it doesn't go like into your. Is it just the tear duct
No,
to here?
it's a little bit past just the tear duct. It's like a
Okay,
good
okay.
millimeter or two
Okay.
outside the tear duct. Can I, before you keep going, it's not a hard cut. You want to like fade it a little more on top. So
I will. I just started.
okay, but can I just explain like
Yeah,
what it
go
looks
ahead.
like? Okay, so if I were to do the shadow, I'm not gonna do it on the top eyelid and just stop at a hard line. It's gonna blend so the top is longer, is like more towards the edge than the bottom. So it's like more of like a diagonal fade.
So you want me to put the shadow from here into my crease, but not on my lid. This whole thing is the lid.
Yeah.
This is the crease.
Yeah,
that's
so you're
going in
gonna,
here.
so the top is gonna meet
No,
the
no, no,
crease.
no, no,
Just-
no. No words like top. Use
You're
lid, crease,
okay.
brow.
The top.
No, no!
Let me finish the sentence. The top part of that color. The
No, 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 no. Give me anatomy. Lid, crease, brow. No top part of that color.
I'm getting
What
there.
the hell?
I'm getting to it now. The top part. Let me get there.
Go
The top
on.
part of the color will reach the crease while the bottom part stays on the lid at a diagonal angle. So the top is on the crease, but if you were to go straight down, it's not colored on that part of the lid. Can you look at your right eye for me?
Listen to what she says and give me those
Listen to
words.
what I say. Look at your eye for me. Look at your right eye.
It's looking exquisite as hell. Go on.
Don't judge it. It's not done. Look at your right eye and see how on the top of the eyelid, or the eyelid, it's like a straight line where it stops.
Yes.
So you're just gonna angle that line so
Yes.
that it goes like,
Into my crease.
yes, but only on the top.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Like
good,
this,
good.
Julian. Yes?
Wait, whoa! But that's too far. This is so fucking hard. Okay, wait. Let me see. Shut your eye. Thank you. That's good. That's good enough. That's good enough. You want to leave a little space in the middle of the eyelid and just go towards the edge because we're going to put another color in the middle after to blend the two.
So from here,
Yeah?
are you talking like the outer corner?
Yes. So yes, exactly. And it's going to go out kind of up to
How far?
basically going to meet your eyebrow. This color, the bright pink, is going to run parallel to your eyebrow.
What? So like here to here?
Yes, but like a little more on top of the lid, on the outer edge of the
So
lid.
does it go to here?
Yeah, and then down? Yes. Was that so hard?
Yes!
And you want to touch the bottom corner of that lid? Nice. Perfect. More
So
color.
brighter?
Brighter.
How blended is it?
Well, not fully blended yet because there's going to be a color meeting in the middle that blends all of it together. This is so stupid. We're going to cut the lid now. Do you know what that is?
Yeah, when you do this part or you cut the crease.
Yeah, so your whole lid up to the crease becomes like cut. P. Louise base. So whatever a base, like a bright.
Does it look like concealer?
Yes. It's as.
Is it like white?
It's like white, yeah. And you're gonna like tap it on so it doesn't blend color. You're not cutting the whole lid. You're going about just over halfway, and it's gonna be like a windshield wiper. It's gonna stop like right there, and then you can blend it with the pink on the outside. To make that pink and white line go away, you're gonna use the orange to blend the two even more. So it's like a pink, orange, white. That's looking good. It's looking really good. Can you trim the top of it a little bit? Just a little bit.
Like that? Is that a little better?
It looks fucking great. Can I see? Wonderful. So you're gonna go to the bottom crease a little bit. You're gonna start towards the outside. Let me see if she goes all the way towards the middle. So it's gonna go, when you're in the middle, you're gonna go to orange and then meet it at the other side. But it's gonna be very, like about that thick on the bottom. So not nearly as thick on the, as it is on the top.
All the
so
way.
it goes all,
So it's
all,
half pink, half orange.
and you're just gonna blend the transition of the colors.
Uh-huh.
Basically right here, it spreads out a little too far out of your face. So maybe just clean it up on the, just on the inside a little bit on both sides.
To be fair though, when I asked you before if that was right, you said it was.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm learning my makeup terms, okay?
Is it more like that?
Perfect. That's exactly how it's supposed to look. This is kind of hard because she only reveals this at the very end. She said to leave a sliver of skin on the inside corner right here to put white liner.
Is it liquid liner? Because I don't have that. Is it in the inside?
No.
Or is it just...
It's not on the waterline.
Okay, so, but it makes a V with this, like that.
And then kind of blend into the white spot.
I only have a white pencil. Is that gonna work?
That'll probably work. Oh my God, we're getting there. This is looking so good. That looks so good.
Is that okay?
That looks so good. That's exactly what she did. Stila Gold Goddess.
Bronze belt.
Ah. So what you're gonna do is you're basically gonna define the line, the top line of the white meeting the orange on the inside. So the
So I'm gonna
highlighter,
use it as an eyeliner?
it's just gonna be like one line. So when the color meets the white on top, you're splitting that
Here,
with one
so
line.
in the crease.
Yes, but one
But-
line. It doesn't go all the way past the
only
color.
to the orange.
Yeah, it doesn't go past the color. It goes to when the white's no more.
When the white's no more.
Can I
Yes?
see an update? Yep. Oh, perfect. Oh, you're so good at makeup. A little further, just a little bit further. Perfect. Literally perfect.
Now,
So the next step is you're gonna do, in her words, a thick black what is it called? Wing.
does it go on this part?
Yes, but not all the way towards, it starts like right here, towards the middle, and then goes all the way out.
So you want it to start like where the orange is, start thin, but then go thick
Yes.
and fat. But like that?
Yep. She actually does go all the way across the top.
Oh, so it goes
Yeah,
to
it
here.
goes to the front,
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Looks fantastic. Lily lashes in caramel.
Can you tell me what they look like? Like,
Yeah.
do they look like any of these?
They look exactly like this one. And then you're gonna do some mascara after.
Julianne, please get your feet away from me. I'm struggling and I'm hot right now.
Listen, I'm gonna be honest here. I will say that her blending is very good. And yours isn't there on this look because you're not watching the tutorial, but you're doing a close second.
Thanks, Beach.
Now get the mascara on.
Hold on, it's gonna dry.
Yeah, like I thought after this it was just lipstick and we're done, but there's like 10 other steps that I don't know what they are. And bottom mascara too.
Okay. Did you know that there's a first syllable to that word called matte?
No, it's mascara. It's your mascara. It's not my mascara. Okay, now you're gonna bronze your cheekbones.
My cheekbones?
Yeah, your upper cheekbones right here. She bronzes right here.
Does she contour?
No, bronze with a brush. She just goes, and then she does contouring.
Okay, so first, bronze my cheekbones.
Oh, she says she contours her nose off camera.
Is it like a James Charles level of nose contour?
It's pretty contoured. So now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a blush trio. Do you have a blush trio?
No, bitch.
So it's like a peach.
Here?
Yeah, more on the upper side. Yeah, like up there. Good.
What color highlighter?
She used a color called Flesh, but it's like white. None of these work.
Not even that?
No.
What?
These two together look exactly like what she uses.
Okay.
Side to side, over the forehead, just very light, but to make it a little bit bright and glossy. Just
So
very light.
here?
Yeah, just very light on both cheeks. You look stunning, honey.
Okay.
And I think she uses a nude liquid lip, kind of like a darker peach, if that makes sense.
So we go mix Jeffree Star, Androgyny, and Anastasia Beverly Hills Dolce.
That looks pretty close. It's hard to tell, man. I don't know. Yeah, you're done.
Is that it?
Yeah, you did it.
Oh my god, that took my whole fucking life.
You just completed a popping summer makeup transformation by Nikki Tutorials.
I knew it was Nikki Tutorials. Show me her look. That is... Okay, you know...
What? You did good.
Oh, bitch. This is not it at all. Oh,
What do you mean?
Juliet.
Yeah, it is.
I feel like
You didn't have a yellow. What am I supposed to do?
Yeah, no, honestly, this might have been the best that we could get for that effect of like transitioning, but oh, bitch.
You did the eyes perfectly, just didn't have the right palette. Like,
Oh, bitch. Oh. Okay, so she did leave a big space in there.
yeah, that was so hard to describe.
Yeah, I understand why that's hard to describe. We only used 2 colors.
We only had 2 colors out of all the
But
palettes.
we could have
that
done like a lighter color.
Nope.
Yes,
Because
we
it
could
would have looked too different.
Honestly, this was so frustrating to listen to you describe this to me, but like we got the gist of the look.
I think so. I think we got like the idea of it.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Why'd you do this to yourself? Why would you pick this tutorial?
I don't know. I just picked an exciting looking face.
Oh, bitch, she did a glitter fucking cut crease. She did a cut crease and then she did a glitter cut crease. Like, oh, bitch.
Like
Why
I
would
thought-
you do this to yourself?
I don't know. Now I know. Like, that was fucking hard. Technically, you nailed everything. It was just like the communication that got fucked and the fact that we didn't have the yellow. Because I think I'm explaining something really clear, but not only do I not know makeup terms or like what I'm saying, I also don't even know what she's doing. So I'm just trying to like take what I'm seeing and give it to you, and it makes no sense. Like, you look cute. Like, smash, smash, smash.
I can't believe you picked a Nikki tutorials video.
Why is that so unbelievable?
Because how, like, everything is so immaculate.
But
like,
that's all the beauty tutorials.
oh my god, bitch.
She does have like really good technique.
Exquisite technique though, bitch.
And her skin is pretty good too.
Her skin's really good.
So congrats on your skin, Nikki, and thank you for letting us use, well, I didn't ask, but would you leave the house with this look?
The face is like really heavy for me.
What about just to go to the mailbox?
Yeah. It looks pretty good on camera because there's like a light shining in my face and stuff, but like in person it's heavy on the face.
It's a lot.
But the eyes are very, like I would wear this eye.
You would?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good to
'Cause
know,
it's
because that was the most complex fucking part of this thing.
Yeah.
That took like 3 hours just for the eye.
Yes, it did.
Oh, you have to spray, you have to spray. You need to do the
Oh.
spray. Yeah, like that much. Who are you fighting?
Now my hair's wet.
Alright, well, I'm gonna just...
Okay, what we're not gonna do is pick up my belongings.
Ah!
Thank you, Julian. I feel really beautiful.
I can tell by your
we
tone.
had such a good time. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and put on notifications every Wednesday/Thursday. I feel like this proves that even if there is no language barrier, there's still a language barrier.
Exactly.
Walmart, Chanel.
Foot Locker.
See you next week. Bye.